Watch face number 2 is called Tina Dial 703. I'm telling you, Tina got down on this one. I thought I'd bring you another freebie. Now, Tina always brings about a unique watch face to the table so far as the design is concerned. This one here, I got to give her 2 thumbs up in the door. I thought she did a really good job on the creation and the design of this watch face. Now, in the AOD mode, you're pretty much going to get the same exact look. It's going to look nice. It's just going to be dimmed down quite a bit in the AOD mode. But once it's on, I like the uniqueness of this one. First of all, I like the earth look. It looks realistic. It looks nice. Not too big, not too small. And you get some animation, as she always brings with a lot of her watch faces. But this is what's unique about the analog clock. Now, normally in a watch face like this one, you normally see round. Rarely do you ever see a square watch face in this type of design. So I thought she did a great job with the creativity of this watch face. Now, what you're going to get down at the bottom, you will get your date. It is going to be in your 24-hour time. Up at the top, you're going to get your step information, heart rate information as well. Again, people, this is a nice look for a casual day. It is the weekend. I think it's worthy of a download. Question is, do you think so as well? All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you're enjoying your weekend. You're having fun. You're enjoying family and friends and being safe. And with that, if you could, please hit the like button on the way out and make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.